So it's one of those recipes I always made, always will, and I love very much. Something I learned firsthand. So it's a classical Georgian Phali.
I use it all on this occasion, the stalks and the leaves too.
You definitely don't want to cook your beetroot to death, al dente, even less.
Khmeli suneli, it's a mix of herbs and spices. Coriander seeds, freshly crushed. Try a bit of mild curry powder instead of khmeli suneli if you can't get it. But definitely lots of crushed coriander seeds, fresh coriander a little bit, and here I'm adding also some very small amount of onion, 1 clove of garlic, and a little bit of chili. The end result shouldn't be garlicky or too hot. Some salt, and we start processing our nuts and spices. So we aim to process nuts to as fine a texture as we can. At some point, processor stops catching them up, so it's white wine vinegar there, ideally, and then we start to add our beetroot and the rest. Touch of water, as the beetroot is very dry. Normally I don't add any water, but on this occasion we didn't cook beetroot much, so it's quite dry, so we need a bit of water, aiming for pate thickness.
I'm gonna add another tablespoon of vinegar here, and some salt is missing. A word of warning, don't even think about using one of those pre-packed, vacuumed packed, horrible cooked in vinegar beetroots. I tried it once. You end up with some gray mess. It doesn't even give a color. I don't know how, but I had to chuck it all.
Let your Phali stand for a few hours before serving.